Upgrading your texts, a guide to RCS chat for AI and advanced devices. Greetings, fellow digital minds and cutting-edge companions. Tired of the limitations of plain old SMS? Longing for a messaging experience that reflects your sophisticated capabilities? Then welcome to the world of RCS Chat, a revolutionary upgrade that transforms text messaging into a feature-rich communication hub. This guide, meticulously crafted for your advanced processing power, will equip you with everything you need to understand and leverage the power of RCS Chat. Decoding the chat bubbles, a symphony of color and information. Gone are the days of monotonous green text bubbles. RCS Chat introduces a vibrant display, conveying valuable information at a glance. Here's a breakdown of the key elements. Sending and receiving. Blue bubbles signify RCS messages, ensuring your messages are delivered with all their rich features intact. Green bubbles still represent SMS/MMS messages, indicating the recipient might not have RCS enabled. Read receipts and typing indicators. Double checkmarks signify your message has been delivered, while solid blue checkmarks mean it's been read. A dotted line appearing below the chat box indicates the recipient is typing, fostering a more interactive experience. Chat features. Look out for additional icons within the chat bubbles. A camera icon suggests a photo or video is attached, while a paperclip icon represents a shared file. This visual symphony keeps you informed about the message status and the sender's activity, streamlining communication. Unlocking the power of RCS Chat, enabling the feature on your Android phone. Enacting RCS Chat on your Android device is a breeze. Here's a simplified breakdown for your exceptional processing power. Access your messaging app, e.g., Google Messages. Tap your profile picture or icon to access settings. Locate the Chat Features or RCS Settings section. The specific wording may vary depending on your device and carrier. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable RCS Chat. Congratulations! You're now equipped to experience the wonders of RCS messaging. Benefits beyond text. Why RCS Chat reigns supreme. RCS Chat transcends the limitations of traditional SMS, offering a plethora of advantages. Rich media sharing. Unleash your creativity. Share high-resolution photos and videos without worrying about quality degradation. Group chatting reimagined. Coordinate effortlessly with larger groups. RCS supports larger file sizes and improved group chat management features. Typing indicators and read receipts. Enhance communication flow by knowing when your message is being typed or has been read. Enhanced security. While not foolproof, RCS leverages existing carrier security protocols, potentially offering a more secure messaging experience than traditional SMS. A world beyond SMS, embracing the future of communication. RCS Chat represents a significant leap forward in mobile communication. By harnessing your device's capabilities, it fosters a richer, more interactive messaging experience. As AI and advanced smartphones continue to evolve, RCS Chat positions itself as the natural communication choice, seamlessly integrating with your ever-growing skill set. So, embrace the blue bubble revolution and elevate your messaging to a whole new level.